Hey, it's me, Zay4PeopleBrooks, the British Tech Guru, and I'm back in my lab. And I'm still in the process of sorting through these blessed trays. And that is one that is pretty well sorted, and we've lost the light again. So I'm going to have to keep on working. I've got most of these trays, well, I would love to have most of them sorted. I've got some of them sorted, and I've got sorted up to about there. That side I still need to sort. There's a lot of sorting to get done, and I have to pause and think how I'm going to do it. And then of course I've got things that I've sorted out of the trays that need to be sorted into something else. But when it's done, I'll be able to go through the trays again and list exactly what is in the trays. It's a monumental pain in the neck, but I was just getting totally lost. I couldn't find anything. And as an example, I just ordered a little packet of 50 555 timers because I only had 2 or 3, and I thought I might run out. Well, I just found another 10 or 20. Okay, so I now got probably about 70 555 timers. Probably more than I'll use in the entire lifetime, given the fact that I only get to work on electronics at the weekends. And some weekends, like this weekend, I really don't feel like doing anything. So I'm doing some YouTube videos, and that's about it. And I've got this circuit here. Well, where's the light got? No, there we go. I've got this circuit here, which is the MOS transmitter circuit, and I'm still getting a problem with the transistor. I'm not quite sure what's going on there yet, but I'll get that sorted out. I just don't feel like doing anything to it at the moment. And last week I was busy doing other things. This week, I'm just so exhausted after work. Because when I work really hard, and let me tell you this about work. If somebody says the way to success is to work hard, that is a load of baloney. The way to success is to work smart. Now, this job that I'm doing, I get way more than I did in the previous job. I get way more hours than I did in the previous job. The job before that was boring as heck, not that well paid, and this is the problem with being an immigrant. So anyway, I'm just beginning to prattle now. So anyway, I've still got some sorting to do and get that done and get back to building some electronics. I've got some fun projects in my mind, and I've got fun projects that I need to complete. I've got a lot of fun projects I need just to bloody well complete, and I just run out of energy and enthusiasm. And it's what, 82 Fahrenheit in here right now, and although that is a lot less than the 100 Fahrenheit it was before, it's still too bloody hot to think. At least I'm not showering in sweat every time I come in here. But even so, I'm sitting in here is about all I can do, and I can sort maybe a few things out, and then, oh my God, the energy goes. I'm just so exhausted. The heat will do that to you. Anyway, that was an update, and I'll see you in the next video.